Breaking news, we just got the October CPI inflation reading, and it came in lower than estimated at a year-over-year increase of 3.2% compared to the 3.3% economists estimated. Core CPI, which is CPI minus volatile food and energy, year-over-year came in at 4%, lower than the 4.1% economists estimated. So both for year-over-year, headline and core being lower than estimated is huge. And then month-over-month is even bigger in my opinion, because that's more forward-looking. That came in at unchanged from the prior month compared to the 0.1% increase economists estimated. And then for core CPI, month over month, that came in at 0.2% increase compared to the 0.3% economists estimated. As a result, this cooler than expected report honestly was what I expected, considering the drop in oil and gas prices that we've been seeing at the pump in October spilling over today. The national average is still around $3.50 to $3.60, but we're seeing some states starting to go below $3. And honestly, I think this will spill over very well into the stock market, because investors want to see that inflation's going down, because that means that the Federal Reserve is doing their job in terms of bringing down inflation, and the Federal Reserve doesn't have to be as hawkish anymore and aggressive in terms of their interest rate hikes. And that should likely cause the stock market to do very well today. Obviously, we have tomorrow the PPI inflation readings, but if the CPI inflation from today was the way it was today, that will likely spill over to tomorrow's producer price index inflation numbers, likely also propelling the stock market to do very well. And then we also have President Biden's meeting with President Xi in China on Wednesday. There's a lot of importance for that. But besides that, I'm very optimistic about the markets this week. The CPI inflation reading was a step in the right direction, and it really shows that inflation is cooling. And especially for inflation being unchanged month over month in October, this is huge, and this should further add fuel to the fire in terms of the stock market's rally, not only this week, but this month and into the end of the year.